Hey guys, I'm Jess. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Jess. I have an exciting video. I know I always say that in pretty much every single video. However, I am excited because I'm trying out the MCO Beauty More Brow Fiber Brow Mascara. If you guys have been a long time follower, you'll know that I've struggled with my brows, doing my brows. I suck at brows. So I thought I'd get this to try. Do a review. See how it goes. It's meant to give you a more bushy brow-like effect. Apparently in one application. So it's meant to be instant brush on a volume, create definition, tame and tints, long lasting, water resistant formula, and it fills sparse brows in a flash. So I don't necessarily have sparse brows, but my brows, I know, they're light. They're a little bit sparse in some area, but this is my natural brows. I haven't done anything to them for a long time, blaming ISO life, but also hashtag lazy. So yeah, haven't used this yet, but I'm excited. Let's dive on in, shall we? This is what she looks like. I got the shade light medium. I normally go medium to dark, but I figured with the other one that I tried, the brow tattoo ink pen thing by MCO, I'll link that video down below as well. It was a little bit too dark and ashy for me, so I went for the light medium shade, and I'm hoping that will match me better. We'll see. It's just a simple little component. And I do believe this is $12 full price at Woolworths, but currently on special. So that's the tip. It's a very fine tip. All right, so instantly it's given me more brush-like strokes, and it has tinted it. I wouldn't necessarily say one application. I do have sparser hair at the end of my brows. They seem to grow everywhere but where I want them. I do like how easy it is applying. And I'm glad that I went with the light medium. I think it's like the perfect shade for me. Not too warm tone, not too ashy. That's actually really nice. It's given me a nice tamed brow. One product. I actually prefer that than the pencil. I think it's a really nice natural looking brow. And my brows aren't perfect or symmetrical by any means. They're meant to look like sisters, not twins. This definitely built up the bushiness of it because they are... I quite like it. I like how it looks. I'm going to do the other brow and make that more even. I mean, look at the difference. They're actually pretty good looking brows, I reckon, even if I do say so myself. Really good little product. It's dried down. I really like how neat and precise it's made my brows with one product. I love how fine the tip is, and that you can actually brush through and fill in your brows with just one product. That is the highlight of this product. Like, you don't need to go in with a pencil or anything to fill it in, because I think it looks quite natural and really quite good. So I'm really happy with this product. It actually lasts quite well. It's been a few hours since I applied the brow product. It doesn't smudge. It's a really easy to apply brow gel, brow fiber gel, and actually does live up to its claims. I really like that it's easy even for a novice like me to get a somewhat decent brow. And that it's such an affordable product. It's available here in Woolworths, here in Australia, cruelty-free, and I think the shade works really well. I think it's a win-win. Quite impressed with that perfect shade. Such an affordable little product, and I reckon it's going to be a dupe for the Benefit Gimme Brow. I think that's what it is. I do have a little sample one. I could do like a little video one day, but yeah, really impressed with these brows. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this product. Let me know if you're going to get it, and I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye.